Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to scan for virus as soon as you turn on your Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 operating system, so if you're using a Windows 10 or Windows 7, then still the tricks will remain the same. So if you're using a Windows 11, just open the Windows Security application. And if you're using a Windows 7, then you can download the Microsoft Defender antivirus from the Microsoft official website. So just click on this virus and threat protection, and now you will see here scan options, right? Just click on it, and now the last option you can see here, Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. So you need to select it and you need to click on the scan now. Now it will ask you to confirm whether you want to scan or cancel. So we want to scan, so we'll click on scan. Now once you click on scan, now it will ask you confirm, click on yes. You can close it. Now your Windows computer is restarting. So finally you can see the virus scan is started using the Microsoft Defender antivirus. So finally you can see the scanning is performing. So have patience until the complete scanning is done. So finally the scan has been completed. Now it will restart your computer. So have patience. So finally the computer has restarted. So if it detects any viruses, then it will just pop up messages. So right now in my case there's no any such viruses in my Raspberry Windows computer, so it's not showing any message here. So by using this cool tricks, you can easily scan for a virus as soon as you turn on your Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.